In this video we are going to be analysing Netflix, ticker NFLX. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels to the upside? And as of right now, we're actually coming in very close to one at $245, which is our first deviation on the 6-month chart. You can see we came into this level previously, started to pull back, looks like we're coming to retest it. So if we were able to break this, come back to test it as support, this would most likely indicate an upwards trend. We would then see a push to $280, $285, really at a minimum. But obviously do rely on overall market trends. If markets stay weak, probably most likely Netflix will continue that because it does make up a large part of the indexes. Now, if we continue up past there, we will be looking at 360, 470 / kind of 475, 588, 650, and a final level at $833. Obviously, though, a lot of these are very far off. These are if you're looking at maybe multiple months or maybe even a year out. But really, the key focus will be, can we break this to 45? If so, expect a retest. And then if that can hold, we would look for a push at a minimum to $280. And again, we would look for that same movement over and over. Now, this 360 is also key because right below it, around 350, you've got the key psychological level and also the gap fill location from about April or May of this year. So definitely do keep note of that level, because if we do push up to here, expect some sort of heavy resistance coming into this level, at least some sort of a pullback, even if we are going to continue higher. Now onto the other side, if we start pulling back on Netflix, what are going to be key supports? So obviously that 52-week low is going to be key to note, around $162. And if we broke that, we would be looking at $130, $100. And really those would be the key levels, at least on this longer term chart. The only other way we can get levels is going onto a shorter term chart. So in this example, we can go onto the 20-day chart, and then we can get support levels at 195, 202, 210, 216, and really we do even have a light pullback location at kind of 230, and this 230 is key to note, because even if you think the stock's going to continue up, we will most likely pull back on this move to this level before continuing to kind of that 245. And definitely before pushing to that 283. Anyway, that is the breakdown on Netflix. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.